Welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a good evening. We're going to work tonight on some coasters. I've got a new mold. Now this mold does 6 coasters, but I think I'm only going to do 4 tonight. We're going to play with some dried flowers and see how it comes out. So let's get down to the table and see how this is going to work tonight. Okay, like I said, my coaster mold will do 6 coasters, but because I'm running low on the resin and I don't want to run out and not have enough, I'm only going to do 4. Now, into the mold, I'm going to put a solid opaque on the bottom, and then I'm going to put these lovely dried flowers that I have that are here, and I'm going to put them in a layer of clear in the top half. So for the bottom half, what I want to use is my Eye Candy Sayu White, and into that I'm going to drip some of my Alloy Gilded alcohol ink. And then in with the flowers, I may add some of this purple foil. Not sure on that yet. We'll see how I feel when we get to that part. So I am going to mix up my resin, and then I'm going to put on my mask, and then I will be back.
I don't know how, oh how you do it. You blow my mind without a word. Ooh, stuck upside down, I might be dreaming. There's no way back now. Take every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. Why would I fight the things I'm feeling? Rather space out here next to you. Ooh, like astronauts, we're in the night sky and we won't come down. Make every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. I don't care, 'cause every moment with you makes me even lighter. I don't care, oh yeah, 'cause every moment with you. I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again. If you need a hand, I am here for you.
If you get lost, I'll lead you back in.
Walk that extra mile, I would do that too.
Just so I could be beside you.
If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got your back, your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 I know the world can be a crazy place sometimes.
Know that I am here beside you.
We can leave tonight, leave it all behind.
Love is something brand new.
If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got you back.
Okay, these got 4 hours of heat after the final coat was put on, and then they sat overnight. Now they are a little low in these holders, but I'm not too worried about that because they're still very, very thick. So we're gonna unmold some of these. So they got a nice white back. Love the sparkle. Probably have to sand this upper rim here a little. There's the second. second one. These come out of this mold really easy. There's the third one. And there's the final one. All right, hang in there for final pictures. Okay, so I'm really happy with how these turned out. They're very sparkly. Look at this shimmer. I like the colors. Nice set of sparkly coasters. And they sort of have that layer. And the bottoms are pretty much white. Every now and then a little gold came through. But even they're really nice and shiny. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends, so before me you should have seen Bill Roberson Art, and after me is Billy with BCC Art Studios. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.